Hello everyone. Our project is Exam Video Alteration Helper, and this portal is used for the faculties to exchange their slots of exam duties at ease. There are three types of users: faculty, admin, and dean. Let's start with admin. The admin being the root user of this whole process, has facilities like setting up new faculty account, deleting a faculty account, to upload a new exam timetable or upload a new hall allotment, to view the existing FAQs, to download hall allocation, and to delete hall allocation. Let's go ahead and set a faculty account. So this gets details like mail name, mobile number, house number, street, area, state, city, department, password, and it also lets the admin to upload the corresponding timetable. The profile picture may not be uploaded by the admin himself. That's a default profile picture which will be uploaded for each of the users. Delete a faculty account. This shows the list of the users from the database itself. And if I go again delete this account, let's say I need to copy the email address and paste it over here, and I give delete a record. It will say it will give me a message as user has been deleted successfully. And if you go again check it, the ID RT_R_T will not be existing over here. So it will definitely verify the fact that the account is deleted. The next feature being the upload new exam timetable or upload new allotment. So first, the new exam timetable is that we can give end semester and choose a PDF file which has the exam schedule over here. And if I give submit, the file will be uploaded successfully. For new hall allotment, the hall allotment is to be in the process in a format. It goes like ID, date, slot number, start and end time of the examination, room number which the faculty is going to serve, the subject, the faculty name, and the faculty email, which will be given by the Deputy Controller of Examination himself. And if I come over here and give end semester 2018 CSE and the file specified and submit, the file will be uploaded successfully. I can check it by clicking the delete all allocation, and if the end semester of 2018 is given, the file will be deleted. If I go again and try to view it again in semester, it will show me an error called as file doesn't exist. Let's upload the timetable again. In semester and 2018 in semester. This view new FAQ is given by the FAQ page in the home page. So they can each user can enter their name, email address, and whatever question they want to ask the admin, and the admin can answer them, mail them personally regarding the same. So these are all the features of the admin. Let's move on to Dean. So Dean has basically three features. The first to view all the faculty details: their name, their email address, their phone number, their address of residence, and the department. The next being exam schedule, which is the PDF version of the exam. And we have integrated the PDF viewer inside the page itself, so it will be different innovations also. So the page is over here, and the next being the view all allotment for the end semester. So the same CSV file would now be in a formatted table version. The date, the slot number, the start and end time of the exam, the room number, the subject, and the faculty view is going to be there. These are the features of Dean. The next being faculty. The first is the view or update is details. Each faculty cannot update their mail, their name, and their department themselves. Other than that, they can update their mobile number, house number, street name, area, city, and state. They can also change their password over here. They must enter their old password, new password, and their confirm password, which will be in turn checked by the backend. The next being view is schedule. This is the faculty's timetable which he can view if they want to check with anything over here. The next being view exam timetable, which is the PDF format of the exam schedule. And if I give end semester over here, it will show me the 2018 end semester, since I've given 2018 and the end semester exam. And if I give a file doesn't exist over here, it will give me an error called as sorry, file was not found. The next being the crux of the core of the project itself, the view slot and exchange first. So a faculty can view is slots, and they can also exchange the same page. The first being the viewing. So this has a few conditions such that the slots shown over here must not be the same faculty's other slots, which will make the thing illogical. The next being the faculty having two slots on the same day must not get other slots of the same slot. So the first being, let's give a request for this slot, and if I give the request to this email slot again, it will show me a message that has request has been made, please wait for respective faculty to respond. And if I go again and give the same request to the same person, it will show that you already made a request, please wait for the existing response. Over here, if I check it, it will say to the respective email that hello, you have received a new slot exchange request, please log into the portal to accept the objective, thank you. So we have also embedded the mailing feature over here, and if the viewer modify slot exchange request is applicable only for the faculties who have them, and since this faculty doesn't have any request, it will show us a message that you have no request. And if I go into the corresponding user and view exchange, so the corresponding faculty can either accept or reject it. So if he gives accept, let's start with reject. It will say the thing is called as like request rejected successfully. And if we go and check the mailer again, it will send a message called as hello, your slot exchange to the corresponding faculty on the exam slot and date of thing has been declared, thank you. So let's go over again and give a new request again. First, let me view my slots. So my slot is on 19/5/2021 linear algebra, and if I accept the corresponding slot, the details goes like the requested faculty being Gautama, they want to exchange their slot of 18/5/2021 of slot 1 of compiler design on 19/5/2021 as linear algebra. They want this linear algebra slot in replacement of compiler design of slot. And if I give accept over here and go to my slots, my slot has been exchanged to 18/5/2021 compiler design. And if I make a request over here, it will show me of 19/5/2021 linear algebra to Gautam user. The final features being the FAQ page where a user can enter any FAQs they need. They can give their name, their email address, the question over here. Next being the mail list feature, which they can mail to us. The third being about this page has the developers, the testers details. They can contact us by any means. Thank you for your time.